Hello everyone, welcome to Tips and Tricks. My name is Diana, and I am one of the new training support specialists at the Hollywood Library Distribution Center. In this video, I'm going to be talking about a popular item that is available for checkout at our library, the Blue2 switch. That's right, for those of you who are already familiar with the Blue2, perhaps you'll learn something new after watching this video. I'm going to be highlighting the Bluetooth features, as well as give a walkthrough of pairing a Bluetooth with an iPad. My contact information is also posted below, so please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions, or if you simply want to say hello. Bluetooth is one of the most popular Bluetooth switch interfaces for tablets, mobile phones, and computers. Blue2 allows you to quickly and easily connect one or two accessibility switches to your device via a Bluetooth connection. Bluetooth is compatible with iPad, iPhone, or iPod Touch running iOS 7 or newer, Apple laptop and desktop computers running macOS Mavericks 10.9 or newer, desktop, laptop, and tablet computers running Windows 10, Chromebooks and Chromeboxes, and Android phones running Android 9 or newer. Please be advised that Bluetooth does require switch-accessible software on the device. iOS 7 or newer, macOS Mavericks 10.9 or newer, and some versions of Android already include switch control software. According to AbleNet, Bluetooth's new features include an improved switch activation surface that takes 40% less pressure than the original Bluetooth, multiple modes of operation for compatibility to all apps, an on-screen keyboard feature for iOS devices, a long-lasting rechargeable battery, and a sleek, modern design. Modes 4, 5, and 6 on the Blue2 can be programmed to custom keystroke sequences to use with many switch-accessible apps, or for shortcuts to your favorite keyboard functions. Activating the keyboard toggle button on Bluetooth will bring up the on-screen keyboard. Simply press the keyboard toggle button a second time to hide the on-screen keyboard. Bluetooth includes two external switch jacks for use with alternative access switches such as the Big Candy Corn switch, Jelly Bean, Chin switch, etc. But please note that any switch that is connected to the Bluetooth will only emulate the same function as the built-in switches. They cannot be assigned independent functions. Pairing Bluetooth with an iPad. Now that we've explored Bluetooth's features, I will demonstrate the setup. And all that I'll be using for this is a Bluetooth and an iPad. Bluetooth switch setup is easy. Before all else, turn the Bluetooth on and activate the pairing button on the Bluetooth by holding it down until the S2 button lights up. Then, turn on the Bluetooth connection from the iPad. So go to Settings, Bluetooth, and tap on the toggle switch to turn the Bluetooth on. When the Bluetooth appears, tap on it to begin pairing with the iPad. Also, each Bluetooth is serialized, making it easy to pair when multiple Bluetooths are present in the same room. Once the Bluetooth is paired with the iPad, you will need to configure it within switch control so that it's possible to perform scanning functions. Switch control is administered through Settings, which we are already on. And from Settings, we will need to go down to Accessibility, scroll down to Switch Control, and then tap on Switches. Now we select Add New Switch and tap on External. Activate Your External Switch appears on the screen, which is our cue to activate our switch and name it. And you can name the switch whatever you want. I recommend naming it something easy, like its color. And since the S1 switch is white, I'll name it white and tap Save. Then, we are prompted to choose an action for the switch. For this instance, I am selecting Move to Next Item. We are taken back to the Switches menu, where we will add the second switch, following the same steps that we did for the white one. So we're going to tap on Add New Switch, External, and activate the external switch. Since the S2 switch is orange, I'll name it orange and tap Save. Then, we are prompted to choose an action for the switch. This one will be Select Item. Now we will go back to Switch Control and toggle Switch Control to On. And that's it. The switches are set up, and I am now able to navigate the iPad using the Bluetooth switch. On behalf of the AT and UDL Technology and Learning Connections team, we just want to say thank you for joining us today. Please keep an eye on our website for additional videos and support.